Rooted in the belief that families are the heart of our community, the Vision for Family Community Life Center, or FCLC, was first conceived and given utterance by the prophetic voice of a local pastor, the Reverend Charles A. Coverdale. FCLC's Tomorrow sees a community where everyone is included, a place where young and old can thrive together in a safe and wholesome environment, a center whose social, educational, recreational, and cultural programs promote quality family life, the dignity and worth of all people, and a greater sense of community among residents in Riverhead and neighboring districts. FCLC's Tomorrow will create a destination open to the public for year-round use, where families can come together to learn, live, work, and play.
Hi, I'm Judy Dahl, Director of Senior Services for the town of Riverhead. We are very excited about the prospect of an adult daycare starting again in Riverhead, and we give it our full support. There is a great need for that in the town. We see it and we hear it every day. So go for it. We certainly wish you much success.
Hi, I'm Claire Lundberg. I am a resident of the town of Riverhead, and I support the Family Community Life Center. We desperately need something for the youth in Riverhead. Social environments that provide meaningful alternatives for youth guarantee a safe and healthy future. This is one of the prime reasons that I'm in favor of the Family Community Life Center here in Riverhead.
My name is Howard Bluver. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Suffolk County National Bank, and I am very, very pleased to support the Family Life Centers project, which we have been intimately involved in for a long time. What I think is most impressive about it is the workforce housing, which, as many of you know, on Long Island, one of the big problems is affordable housing for people who need to work at local hospitals and other businesses. Workforce housing helps neighborhoods in many ways. It expands the tax base. It is great for economic development. We support the project in many, many ways, both financially and through contributions in kind of many of our employees. And we are a strong supporter of the First Baptist Church, and we strongly support this, and we hope that it goes forward as soon as it can.
My name is Edgar Goodale, and I'm chairman of Riverhead Building Supply Corp. And as a lifelong Riverhead resident, I know the needs of this community. I've seen the needs of this community, and this project of the Family Community Life Center is something that this community sorely needs. There are none of these facilities anywhere on the North Fork, in the town of Riverhead, and limited sources on the South Fork. This center will provide payments back to the community in many different ways, in providing the needs of shelter, in providing the needs of education, in providing the needs of the room for whether it be the pool or whether it be a convention center or whether it be the classrooms, workforce housing. It is just a need that we will have here, that the town will recoup its investment, and we hope that the citizens of this town fully support this. I certainly will, and my company certainly will, and we look forward to seeing this progress get started. Thank you.
My name is Gwendolyn Branch. I'm a member of the Eastern Arts Counseling Board and a number of other boards around the community. I believe that the Community Life Center is one of the greatest projects that could have ever gone on in Riverhead. We have for many years needed programs for the entire community, especially our children. And although I've been on several committees, we've not been able to put anything together. Here's an opportunity for the town to have a center that has a pool and a track and places for children and adult daycare and child care and a theater so that we can do performing arts in. And it will not cost the taxpayers anything. Why we don't put this as a number one priority is a mystery to me.
I just wanted to take a few moments to talk a little bit about this very, very comprehensive initiative that I have come in touch with called the Family Community Life Center. I think it's an amazing initiative that they're going to be doing senior care. We'll give some of our students an opportunity to do some internships, that they're going to be doing work in terms of child care, and that the community is going to have some recreation. But the most important thing is the opportunity it provides for our youth, for them to be able to have something to do with their time. This complex has an amazing amount of potential to help us move forward and help us service our community.
Hi, my name is Andy Mitchell, and I have the privilege of being the President and Chief Executive of PBMC Health. Over the last decade, we have partnered a great deal with the First Baptist Church, bringing healthcare services to the community that otherwise would not have access to those programs. It's for those reasons that PBMC Health is supportive of the Family Community Life Center here in Riverhead. This program will serve numerous purposes and help to provide people who have limited access to affordable housing, social service programs, daycare facilities, and other health-related services in one combined campus near the First Baptist Church. The vision of Reverend Coverdale, his wife Mrs. Coverdale, and their inspiration in moving ahead with this project is something we all should be very proud of and support.
Family Community Life Centers Tomorrow is a comprehensive vision that includes a media center and performing arts theater, a 24-hour child care facility, a senior citizen wellness and day health center, and a major sports and recreational compound. Office suites and 132 one- and two-bedroom apartment units will frame the center complex, providing the community with critically needed professional space and workforce housing. FCLC's Tomorrow will benefit countless future generations. It needs the continued cooperation and support of our local hospital, our universities, our local businesses, foundations, corporations, agencies, and elected officials at every level of government. FCLC's Tomorrow needs us, today, to help the future generations. We are the ones we've been waiting for to create tomorrow's jobs, housing, and the kind of community in which all of us have a place. It's up to you and me. FCLC's vision is a glimpse of our tomorrow, and tomorrow needs us today.